Whoa! Before you watch our next video on how to do whatever you're trying to do, a pivot or a VLOOKUP or whatever in Excel, I wanted to share a couple secrets with you that transformed my career when it comes to data. Now this video isn't for the Excel junkies. It's for the folks out there who are struggling with data but want to find a better way, who know there's a better way. And guys, that was me years ago. So if this video is not for you, click next and skip this video. If it is for you, hang on for the next couple of minutes, and by the end of this video I'll share 3 secrets that transformed my career when it came to data. So years ago was my first, when the world went on lockdown. We're all kind of in that process right now, and what everybody is experiencing right now is that they need to make better, smarter, faster decisions. Budgets are tighter, everything is tougher, everybody's losing customers, people want to understand their customer better. But we know that we're switching on all of these digital platforms, and every single platform that we switch on is generating data. The big challenge for all of us right now is that we're not quite sure how to use that data. How to use that data to make better, smarter, faster decisions when it comes to anything in our business. So before, our problem used to be that we didn't have data. Now we have too much data and we don't quite know what to do with it. So that was me a couple of years back, and what I discovered were these 3 secrets. 3 secrets I like to call 3 most powerful analytical techniques. Now, if you're like me and you suck at Excel, you can't code, you suck at math, then these 3 techniques, or I was able to use any data. I was able to take just these 3 techniques and I'm able to get deep insights out of my data really, really quickly. So what I wanted to share with you guys is my framework. It's a free framework that transformed my career. It took me from a loser to a leader. And that framework I think will be helpful for you guys. And why am I giving away this framework? Because I think it will change your life. And I want to be able to help you guys save time. So if that's of interest to you guys, I want you to click the link below so you get access to that framework.